welcome back guys. This video is special thanks to Amber for sending us the LED table lamp. As you can see right here, really nice, but not just any table lamp. It's actually specifically designed for the bathroom. So you're gonna see me in the shower, not really, but it's actually, some people have candle lights for the bathroom, and apparently this is a designated LED table lamp for the bathroom or outside, like if you're having a picnic. But without any further ado, let's get started. Let's see what this thing is all about. It's in black and 415 gray. We'll check out the colors as we open it. And really nice packaging. It's USB to USB-C charging, which is great. Comes with a little user manual, but it's just a light. Whoops, don't break your stuff. So it's pretty self-explanatory. Wow, the base bag is whiter than anything white I've ever seen. Oh wow, that's really cool. I'll show you in a second. It has like a little pull switch thingy. Really easy to put together. This part is like vinyl, like a plastic, and this one is real metal, hard steel, which is great because you can put it outside and not worry about the wind blowing it down. This is pretty heavy. It's probably about maybe 5 pounds. This is really nice. So we're just going to put it together, and see, just as easy as 1, 2, 3. Both sides are the same, so we can just screw this on like that and turn it. This is really cool. Because I will definitely not use this in the bathroom. Maybe when the power goes out I would, but definitely outside. We do a lot of outdoor entertainment with the kids' friends and things like that. And so this, as you can see, will go in like that. 5 volts in case you want to power it, I guess, alone with an external power source. Let's see what I like about that is this. Check it out. Oh wow, it comes charged. We got reddish. You have to pull it hard. White, and then dim, and then red. Red's pretty cool. Oh, oh wow, this is definitely like a nice, relaxing light you could use when you have your Kindle. You know, have all your books on here, reading. And if you use this as a night light, you could, if your Kindle has a backlight, you could probably shut the light off. It's pretty bright. Alexa, turn off blue lights. Okay. Oh, this is really nice. Look at that. Pull it hard. I like the brighter white. You know, it depends on the mood. This could be ideal too for the bathroom. And then you have your red, maybe before you go to bed. Okay. Really, really nice. And you have your, oh yeah, see, just 5 volts right there. This is great because, as you can see, we have it set to green. And you can have other colors. I love the fact that it's a shower lamp and it's waterproof. Link is in the description, or we can turn it on and then turn it this way, and then it'll cycle through the colors. And once it cycles through all the colors, when you find the color you want, you know, maybe you don't like white, maybe you don't like red, maybe you don't like green, maybe you don't like blue. Well, that's okay. They thought about that because we have the RGB colors. So it's going to go to green, and hopefully any minute it should turn the darker green, and the darker green should bring us into the blues. And then I like that blue. And then you hear that soft click, and now it's locked in on that color. And it's waterproof, so if it starts raining and you're having that barbecue / picnic and the ambience isn't working out just right for you, they've got you covered. So as you can see, red is a really nice and subtle light, not too heavy on the eyes, and also great for transitioning when you want to go back into that bright light. But as you can see here, we have our low lamp, which is ideal, then the brighter lamp, which is great, as you could use it for parties or outdoors, because remember, it's waterproof. You don't have to worry about rushing back inside to bring the light in because it can handle it. And ideally, again, you know, it could be used as a light to just shine the way into the night. Maybe you want to walk back into your pantry to get something. You could probably keep this in the pantry too, but ideally it's a shower light, because you get so many hours that, you know, ideally you can, wherever you put it, you don't have to be tethered to the charger, because between, you know, these 7 and 14 hours, it's golden. As you can see, I'm just transitioning through the different colors so you can see, you know, which ambient lighting works right for you. As you can see, we love the blue, but ideally it can go anywhere. Bathroom, designated of course, but also the bedroom. And it doesn't take up a lot of space compared to your conventional lamp like we have here. It's just huge and we can't even see the mirror behind it. But this one is just a little bit more ideal. And again, it's a bathroom lamp, designated, but it's a universal. As you can see, you can have it in the shower or use it while you shower, and just have, because sometimes you don't want to turn on the bright light in the bathroom. Maybe you don't have a dimmer, maybe your dimmers only dim the lights to some extent that don't work out just right for you. Again, that blue just looks amazing, as you can see. And maybe put it on the toilet, on the tank itself. The tank works out really well, and it doesn't, it's not too heavy on the eyes. And as you can see, you can transition from the RGB mode settings, and then once you find that light that works out for you, you just set it and forget it, and just turn it on every now and again as needed, which works out really well. Again, depending on the colors, but it's just perfect for the bathroom or any room inside your house. But ideally, as you can see, it looks perfect right there, where we're probably going to be using it in the one upstairs. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Remember, 4 hours to charge and you're good to go between 7 and 14 hours. Kind of neat, huh? Gotta love it. Hope that this video helped you. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you all next time.